How to replace the base enclosure. Removal. On the bottom of the notebook, remove the two long rubber feet from the base enclosure. Remove the two Mylar screw covers from the front edge of the base enclosure. Remove the two 4mm P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the front edge of the top cover to the base enclosure. Remove the 5 7mm P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the top cover to the base enclosure. Using a non-metallic flat-bladed tool, carefully separate the edges of the base enclosure from the top cover. Remove the base enclosure. Reverse this procedure to install the base enclosure.